Fucking me getting old.
Huh?
Me getting old, man. Oh, man. Me getting old. Not me. Micky's gone.
Mickey, do you want to go on the computer?
No, he's getting on in time, I know. I've got to do some washing. I've got to do some washing. At 9:30.
Tuesday, okay. Maybe I'm going to crack on bed thinking.
If you see laptop in there, let me know.
You got money in you?
No,
if
but
I see it.
we can have the money that day.
Well, if I see one for myself, I'll buy it.
Yeah, then I'll buy it off you.
Fuck off. Fuck off, God. Fucking shit.
Right, Gordy can help me do that.
Gordon, fuck off.
Yeah, I thought it come from there. He was a big bit.
Fuck off.
Right.